Hello everyone. Group member's name is Komal Ugale, SHITAL JONDHALE branch electrical subject fundamentals of power electronics. Buzzer alarm. What is buzzer alarm? Buzzer alarm is an electronic device that impedes the loud noise there the internet enter happens in the building or apartment. Buzzer alarm is one of the perfect measuring for safety in radio, research and building. Our buzzer alarm system also included fire protection and medical protection for sensor persons who are in need of their emergency condition. Working principle of buzzer alarm. Buzzer alarm is one of the most reliable machine to security or workplace. Buzzer alarm work begin with the sensor or motion direction, both installed in apparent places. They send emergency signal to the control panel once they are activated. This is block diagram of buzzer alarm. Reduction of event using buzzer alarm. Application of buzzer alarm. Crimes report in 2012. Merits of buzzer alarm. Prevents you for effect. The desired result you speak for the buzzer alarm is to cause a specific alarm output and response quality. Then the sensor identifies various conditions, reduce % security.
How make to a door alarm? Simple method at home. In this video, I will show you how to make simple door alarm at home. I will say which material we are using this model. First, buzzer, second 9-volt battery and this connector, third switch, fourth plastic plug, fifth 2 screw and last is wood. So now I will see the connection these wires. First, battery black wire connected to buzzer black wire and battery red wire connected to switch red wire, and next buzzer red wire connected to printer left side red wire and printer right side red wire connected to switch black wire. So ready for this connection of wires. So now I will see attached to all instrument in this wood. So ready for this model. Now let's put this model on the door and see if your connection is correct and wrong. You can see that your model is working, and this buzzer alarm you can put in your shop and home in the door. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.